All right, everybody. Dale Ross here, coming to you guys live from downtown Denver, Colorado, at our Rhino headquarters. And I've got Tyson, my sidekick here. Tyson, how are you, buddy?
Doing great.
Good, good, good. It's a Monday here in Denver, guys, and it's been a warm spring so far. And, you know, it's one of those typical crazy Denver weathers. We got snow coming tomorrow, 3 to 8 inches of snow. It's been 80 degrees plus many days here in Denver so far, but that's a part of how we roll here in Denver, you know?
That's right.
Yeah, it's actually kind of fun, you know, kind of go back and forth. But anyway, after the weather report, we wanted to also, guys, have a, you know, we wanted to have a quick, you know, kind of announcement and let you guys know kind of what we have going on internally here. Scooter sales are phenomenal right now and better than they've ever been in you know, Roadrunner scooter history, the 5.5 years we've been in business. And with that said, guys, you know, these scooters are going to reserve. All right, so we're doing reserve orders. We did this last summer. We sold out, you know, a few containers like this. Guys, they're getting more and more popular, and we don't have any control because we do manufacture these ourselves, and we do, you know, we design them in house. And you know, when you know they go to the manufacturing process, they're basically designed by hand, guys. So they take a little longer than most. All right. And, you know, with that said, we feel like, you know, we wanted to do things different. Tyson, we've been listening to everybody. We listen to what the crowd tells us and what they want to do. And we know that we need to do things a little different to make things smoother and make you guys happier, okay? Because, you know, the trust issue is very huge for us. We want everybody to understand that, you know, we are listening. We are, you know, to be able, Tyson, to sell container loads of scooters before they even arrive is you know, that is, you know, that's not an easy a task. So, you know,
so why is there a wait? Like, don't we just say let's make 1,000 scooters and then a day later they're made like from some machine or like a 3D printer or something?
Well, I think that's probably how some of the, you know, the competitors do it. You know, they mass produce, you know, and so, you know, again, you know, we have our hands all over these scooters,
right?
Literally, guys. You know, with the design process, you know, and then you go to the manufacturing process at our private factory in Shanghai. You know, that process, you know, is a process because, you know, every single scooter, it's done by hand. It's assembled by hand and, you know, and put all together. So, you know, it's a process. It does take longer. And, you know, with, you know, what I'm saying is, you know, Tyson, what are you doing over there, Tyson?
I'm just trying to tell you what to say.
Yeah. Oh, he's trying to tell me what to say. Okay. I never need that, guys. But anyway, so each of the tests, you know, each one of these scooters, you know, they are what I want to call them expert assembled, and they're individually tested, okay, for performance, you know, and this is something that, you know, that every, you know, manufacturer can't say, and that just, and that, you know, that's for reliability. You know, and that takes time.
So it's not just like, hey, let's make 1,000 RS5s and then they're just already built and then it's done.
No, I mean,
so there's actually quality controls.
It's quality
in our factory.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. So that's what we're trying to sort of convey is that we actually care about the product that we're making and we make sure it's done correctly.
Well, there's a reason, guys, that we are selling out of these scooters, okay? The word is finally out, okay? We've been doing this for, you know, a while now, but we've only been a manufacturer of our product for about 3 years now. You know, so, you know, we were a distributor for the first couple of years. We couldn't get it done the way we wanted to get it done. We had to do it ourselves. We knew that. And that's what we've been doing. This is finally starting to pay off. People are realizing that we are designing and building a damn good scooter, you know, and therefore people want it, you know, and so, you know, in that case, we want you to have it too, and so we're doing some things different, Tyson.
Yeah, so right now, we have advance orders, is what they're called. Mm-hmm. So why would I place an advance order now? Why can't I just wait till they arrive in late June and get one then?
Well, as I stated earlier, you know, we had 3 containers last summer, okay, and the popularity's gotten even, you know, stronger since then. That sold out before they even made it to the U.S. waters. And so, you know, if you wait until they are going the arrival date, guys, there's a good chance that these, you know, these are going to be sold out. These containers are. We've got 2 coming. The next round, we got 2 at one time coming. Guys, they're probably going to be all sold out. I mean, you know, so that's why we just want everybody to have the opportunity to understand, you know, that you do have the opportunity. But if you wait, you're probably not going to wait, and you know, you probably have to wait till the next one. Is the bottom line.
So say I want to buy a scooter today, but I don't want to pay $2,000 straight up for a scooter I'm going to get in late June. Is there any other solution to that?
Yeah. So this is something else we changed, guys. We made a few changes. We get it. Okay. We understand. We are listening to you all. So, instead of having to purchase the whole entire scooter, or even pay half and half, 50% down. So, guys, we are actually we've started this already. It's on our website now. It's live.
Yep.
So the down payment money to reserve one of these scooters, okay, and there are still scooters available, guys, for these next two containers. You got the RS5, which is going to be a $750 deposit, all right? You got the RS6, which is a $1,000 deposit, and the RX7, which is a $1,500 deposit. So considerably less than it was before.
It's a great deal.
It's so it makes it a little easier, guys, to hold on. And and here's the beauty. This is the beautiful thing about it. We know that the when you want to cancel an order, it can be difficult because all companies are going to charge you something, right? So we decided that the best way to do this and to make everybody happy and content, and if there's any issues, if you happen to run across an emergency situation, or you decide you don't want it, whatever, after you purchase it, we're going to give Tyson 100% refund back to anybody. No questions asked, guys, okay? We are trying to be, the trust factor is huge for us, okay? Right. We feel like, we are in a position now where we really want you guys to understand how we really feel about this and how much we appreciate your business. And so with that said, we're going to give 100% refunds back on anybody for any question, no questions asked for any reasons. And, that's it. That's it.
That's great news. So that's definitely something that, we've had in the past sort of shortcomings about refund policies, especially with pre-orders, because it can be quite a ways out. So I think with the down payment options that we have for each scooter and the refund policy, that's a great change.
For sure. And I think it's also, we need to go into the other part of that too.
Yeah.
So, to piggyback off of that part of it, we understand that, I think that it's important just to be direct about the whole thing.
Yep.
First of all, we didn't always make our own. Well, we didn't meet our own expectations when it came to understanding and communicating with the customers after they purchased the scooters and they were in production
for advance orders.
Yeah, for the advance orders. Yeah, pre-sales is what they call them before, guys. These are advance orders. They're going to be called reserves. They're in the process of being put together meticulously for you. So, we like to come with a little better term than just a pre-sale, because it's more than a pre-sale. You own the process once you purchase, the pre-sale or the good night. I'm going to get down terminology down myself. So when you reserve one of these scooters, guys, and this is what we're going to talk about next. We have a Tyson.
Yeah. So in the past, say, right now the advance orders are coming, they'll be here estimated late June 2026. So in the past, if I'm a customer, I place an order, it says on the screen, okay, estimated to arrive in late June. I pay for it, maybe all like 100% down. So again, that's another change from what we're doing. We can actually put much less down and to reserve a spot for the scooter. But in the past, you have to just click purchase, and then we basically had zero communication until you got your tracking number saying the scooter's on the way.
Yeah.
So that could be, 6 to 8 weeks away. And if I'm a customer and we put ourselves in customer shoes and we did this new production tracker is what we're calling it, we realized that if I'm a customer, I'd want to know at least a little bit about what's going on in that between the time I placed the order and the time I got it.
Yeah. I mean, there were shortcomings before, guys.
Yeah.
Like, we understand, I put myself in your shoes and say, okay, if I purchase a scooter and I just don't get any information at all, until it arrives, that it's difficult. And we apologize for that, guys. That wasn't the right way to do it. And we get that. We had customers who were excited. You trusted us, with your funds, and you purchased the scooter ahead of time. And we did not give you guys a level of visibility,
right?
Which is the most important thing, So what we have done, and to Tyson's point, to piggyback off that, is, we have gone, above and beyond, guys. And this is the first of its kind. I can tell you that. Nobody else is doing this. But we've developed a page on our website, okay? And it is a production what we call it? The
Production tracker page.
Yeah, it's a production tracker page.
Or production status, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, and it's 4 stages, guys. It's 4 distinct stages that that are going to happen in the process from the time you purchase until the time it shows at your front door. And so we have every one of those dialed in. Okay, we actually give you guys an account of kind of what goes on in each one of the processes and what all we do in each while we're manufacturing the scooters before they get to you. And we kind of we don't go into great, but we tell you a good amount about what we're doing. So you have an idea what's up. And the most important thing is there's timelines, Tyson. There's time stamps on each one of the phases, and we're also sending out an email, okay, every time it goes to another phase, right? But the nice thing is now you're able to get on your phone or you're comfortable at the house, whatever, get on your PC, whatever. But you can jump online, okay, and within 5 seconds you can see exactly where in the process your scooter is. And so we want to be transparent. We want you guys to be confident with what's going on, and we feel like this is the best way. You don't have to worry about emailing us or calling us, none of that, because it's going to be right there and at your fingertips. And we feel like this is going to, really ease the pain, with the lower cost of the down payments, Tyson. And then now we've got, that you've got the money back guarantee, 100%, guys. We'll give you a refund, no problems, no questions asked. That's not a problem. And then the last thing and the biggest thing is the production tracker, which is going to show you guys from A to Z. Once you order the scooter, all the way to the time it shows up to your front door. And this is cool, guys. So when it leaves, and this is the most boring part really, but cool for you guys, because when it leaves the port in Shanghai, or in what's it called? Where do we ship out of? Ningbo. That's it. That's the main one anyway. There's 2 of them. But Ningbo. Anyway, when it leaves Ningbo and it heads to Long Beach, guys, you can track it real time. Okay, so you will know exactly at all times where this scooter is. So we do feel like this is going to help. And again, first of its kind. Nobody else is doing it. And I think this will take off, the question mark hat, some people have had, and help you guys, in the decision process.
Yeah, and the goal is just communicate and be as transparent and clear about what the status is for each, container, new scooter, old scooter, doesn't matter. We just want the customers to know, okay, I'm not left in this void of uncertainty when I purchase an advance order.
Yeah, and guys, the advance order, we don't want to do the advance orders. We don't have a choice. I mean, they're going a lot faster than we can keep them in house, right? So we're maxed out right now on that, but we've got 2 big containers of them coming. Okay, so if you guys are looking for a Roadrunner scooter, and I'm telling you, don't stand in line, for very long, because if you wait too long, they're going to be gone on these next 2 containers, and we'll start doing pre-sales on the next one. Unfortunately, this is the way we have to do it right now, because the demand, it's that time of year, guys. And last year was busy. This year's even busier. So we highly encourage you guys, if you want a scooter, to spend the small amount that we're asking for the down payment and get yourself one reserved. If you decide you don't want it, that's fine. You can cancel the order, but at least put one on order.
Yeah. And I think we understand that. Yeah, if you want a scooter tomorrow, ideally we could have a scooter sent to you tomorrow. But the reality is this is not where we're in, because the scooters are so popular right now. So I would say that sometimes it's worth the wait for good quality products. So and you can have this for years to come. Like, yes, we'd love for you to have it in June and May while the weather's getting warmer everywhere. But just, I try to frame it like you're going to have this for years to come. So while we don't want you to wait, sometimes it's worth the wait.
Yeah, and that's, important point to understand, guys, is, we don't just build a scooter, okay, for it to be, repairable, and kind of a throwaway, okay? These are quality scooters, guys, that you're going to be able to keep for years to come. They're all made with IP67 ratings. They've got, the crazy thing about these scooters is, the longevity, like the removable battery. Okay, it reduces it increases the lifespan of the scooter. It makes it a heck of a lot. When you have to replace that battery, it's a pain in the rear end, guys, to to get in every, especially if you have to just repair, much less to replace the battery. But when you ever need anything as far as a repair on these scooters, everything is plug and play. Every single connection on it. The battery is removable. It's an IP67 rated scooter. It's got tubeless tires on every one of them, so you don't have to worry about pinched flat tires all the time. We really think about what you guys have fed us, in the past, and we've put every one of these things into every scooter that you ever purchased from us, and we're very prideful in what we do, and we know that we're building a good product because you guys are the telltale. We're selling these scooters out for a reason.
Yep. So if you were talking to a customer on the phone, they say, "Well, I want to get Bob his birthday present by but we're not going to have it." So if you're on the phone with Susie, and what would you say to her about this Christmas or birthday present that she wants to give her husband or whoever?
Well, I mean, I would probably just, kind of say what kind of basically what you just said, Tyson. This is, I would, this is what you have to understand. The quality is it's you cannot refute it. Like, it is what it is, guys. They're solid products. They're well built. They're handcrafted. They're designed in house. Like, there's nobody else doing this. No. So if you're looking to buy just a scooter, you can buy Johnny a scooter. Okay, but I can tell you this: if you just wait, 6-8 weeks and buy Johnny a scooter that's going to last him for a long time down the road, that he can actually repair. Okay, with parts that we, by the way, have 95% of all parts here in our Denver location. Okay, on every scooter that we manufacture, guys. That's unheard of, okay? That is unheard of. Nobody else can say that. So there's a lot that goes into this. We've thought about everything, okay? User-friendly is the key, all right? And, having the product and the parts in stock to take care of you guys if anything ever, were to go awry, we've got it all, and so, we back to your point, Tyson, I would just let, her know that, you're talking about, apples to oranges when you're comparing these scooters. And there's a reason that these scooters have become so popular, that we're an American company doing this the American way. And as American as you're going to find for an electric scooter, I can promise you that.
Yeah. So good things come to those who wait. Quality takes time. What other cliches can we say about this? But it's true. And I think in this case, it is true that sometimes, yes, we would love to have it, for everybody right now. However, we want to make sure the job's done right. And that sometimes takes longer than we want it to take.
Absolutely. So, guys, we feel like we're offering a great package, a very, truthful and trusting package, for everyone, and so we hope that you guys can see it the same way. And we feel like, we're not holding your feet to the fire if you decide that you want to purchase a scooter from us. If you decide you don't want the scooter, for some reason, before it actually is delivered, you're more than welcome to, let us know that, and we're happy to refund you 100%, no questions asked, and we'll go walk away with a smile because somebody else is going to get that scooter. So anyway, guys, we want to thank you all for joining us. This has been good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.
All right.